Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve these Senegalese rope twists using Marley hair. I wanted to do something different to my hair because I felt like I was just in it a little bit too much. I've been kind of just in it doing a lot of different styles, and I felt like my hair just needed some time to breathe. So I'm hoping to keep these in for about 2 to 3 weeks. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep watching. So this is the hair that I'll be using. This is my beauty hair, tangle free caniculon hair. I've used this hair before in a previous video. I used it for my sleek down ponytail. This is how the hair looks. It's 20 pieces that comes in a pack, so I'm very excited about that. I don't have to worry about separating the hair because it already comes pre-separated. So this is the hair. On the back. Also, to help me with the style, I'll be using the Shine and Jam. As y'all know, this is my holy grail. I use this for everything, especially like my parts. And then for my edges, I most likely use the Edge Boost. And then while I'm actually doing the twist, I'm going to be using Honey Beeswax. And I am starting off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I always start off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair because I feel like it makes such a big difference when it comes to how the style comes out. I start off by using the 2-strand braiding technique. I wrap the Marley hair around my natural hair to get 3 pieces of hair to begin braiding. I braid only about 1 centimeter down, then I separate my natural hair into 2 sections and add those 2 sections back to the 2 sections of Marley hair. I've tried twisting only, but I prefer to braid first because it puts less tension on my hair. Once I start twisting, I roll the 2 sections of hair between my thumb and index finger to give the twist a tight rope-like appearance. I showed this method slowed down at timestamp 7 minutes 17 seconds and also at 9 minutes and 52 seconds. This style took me about 5 hours to accomplish. I did watch a couple movies while I was doing this and I took my time. I was in absolutely no rush. I left my hair as is. I did not dip it in any hot water and I did not add mousse to it. I generally wash and reuse my Marley hair 3 to 4 times, so I try not to manipulate it too much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.